Hey you guys!
Hi fellas and girls!
So today we're going to be baking some brownies, the special kind, and I'm excited. I haven't had special brownies in a long time.
That's good, very good.
You might be wondering what makes them special, right? Cookie dough. We're going to be making cookie dough brownies. They are out of this world. They catapult you into a different dimension. They're just that good.
Let's do it. Don't holler.
Okay.
Then we gotta tie it up. We gotta tie it because it's a big, long one. Very good.
I feel like a farmer.
Too hot in that?
No, I have to represent Harvard. I just transferred.
Oh, who went to Harvard?
I just transferred there, so no big deal. We have to tell them how lazy we are.
We're not lazy.
Yeah, well, okay, come here.
I'm not lazy.
So, we're not making brownies from scratch today. We just have a Betty Crocker box.
That's good. That's very good.
We don't have the time, okay? And we also have just cookie dough out of a package.
Years ago, I had to mix it by hand. Never had boxes. Now they got the boxes.
We're living in the future.
Make it easy for you. Here is the dough. It's making it easy for you. We just took it out of the box. The brownie mix. It's a fudge one. Be very careful because I don't want to watch the floor.
Okay, so we're going to open it.
No, I got this.
I already opened it.
Okay, Kevin, don't splash it. Put it back in there, please.
Why do you think I'm going to splash it?
Because I know you already.
You hold the bowl and I will pour it in. It's teamwork. We're co-chefs right now.
Come on, just go slow. Don't get it on my face. See, you don't have to do it that high. I don't know why he has to do this. How many eggs do you put in here?
2.
Okay, see? That's 1.
Oh, okay.
Hey, that came out very good. 2. Okay, now we have to mix it and blend it. You gotta get it nice and even. This is gonna be thick. It's almost ready. Wait a minute. Come on, you gotta get the sides.
Oh my god, that was not my fault.
Oh, is this thick? Oh, dear God, oh God. This is very thick. This is thick. This is thick.
This pan is too big.
It says 9 by 13. Read it. Go slow because then you're going to cut it after. It's got to be even. Let me see now.
I'm trying to make it even.
Show them. See how nice and thick? Because it's very thick because it's fudge. Okay, put it in the oven, please. Put it in the oven.
Girl, are you stressed out right now?
No, I'm not stressed out.
You seem a little stressed
I want you to find out how many minutes. Put it in the oven, 350 oven, please. Right on the bottom.
22 to 25 minutes.
No. Are you sure?
Yes, it says it. She doesn't trust anything I say.
350. Okay, there it is, 25 minutes.
It's in the oven! So there's this new phenomenon going on.
What is that? What is that word? I never heard of such a word.
A phenomenon?
Phenomenon.
It's just like something crazy that's happening, you know? People just don't understand it. And there's this audio recording, people are hearing different things, and I want to know what you hear, okay? So, I'm going to play the clip. You get it?
Yes, I guess so.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Are you ready?
What kind of noise am I going to hear? Wah. Wah-dee-dee. I don't know what that is.
What is it? Repeat it.
I have no idea what that is. E-I-E. E-I-U. E-I-U or what?
What?
It says E-I-U. E-I-U.
You don't hear Laurel?
No, I don't.
You don't hear Yanny?
No. E-I. Oh, yeah. E-I. E-I.
You don't hear Laurel?
No.
I hear Laurel.
E-I. E-I. E-I.
My mind is blown right now.
Hear E-I.
I don't know. This is so crazy. Maybe because your ears are older or something.
No.
This adds to the phenomenon. It's either Laurel or Yanny, though.
Yanny.
That's what people are hearing. Yeah. Comment down below what you hear. Is it Laurel or Yanny? I'm curious. I only hear Laurel. I thought it was a joke that people heard Yanny. But now I guess people hear E-I-O. Is that what you said?
E-I-O, E-I-E, E-I-E. I don't know. Oh, we got
11 minutes.
Okay.
We're in the home stretch. We're getting prepared to cut the brownie.
No, we're not going to cut the brownie when you take it out of the oven. It's got to be warm. Because if you take it out when it's hot, you're going to ruin it.
You're right.
11 minutes later.
We're taking it out of the oven.
Okay, here it is. It's too hot to put the... Ouch! It's too hot to put...
What happened?
I touched it. Ouch! Ouch! It's got to cool off. That's going to take... Oh, my, that might take...
Oh, that might take like 10 minutes.
No, 30? Never. Maybe another half hour.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
He's got an idea to put this on top of a brownie.
I've got an idea.
I have no idea what he's talking about.
I have an idea, and...
He does not want to bake this. I would rather bake it. That's going to go right on top of the... I don't know. I never heard of such a thing. This is going to go on top of the brownies. Where did you hear this? Where did you hear it? Because you have to cut these after.
I saw it on Pinterest.
Wait a minute, you don't put that like that. You mean to tell me you put this on top? It is wrong. It's wrong.
Are you seeing this?
You're
Grandma!
going to put one by one, I think, on top. He's like to horse around, and that isn't the way to do it.
No.
Put a big chunk on top. Something's wrong with his little head.
Little? People
Yeah.
say I have a big head. My vision was that I was just gonna have a layer of cookie dough on the brownie. That's the picture I saw. Okay, you want to see the picture?
Yeah,
Hold
I
on,
want to
let's
see
hold
the
on that.
picture.
That looks good, right?
I know that. Okay, now tell me how you do it, baby. How are you going to cut it, baby? How are you going to cut a piece?
Before you do anything, I think we should wait for it to simmer, you know?
What?
I think we should wait for it to simmer.
Simmer what? Who the hell is going to eat these? Kevin, you got to cut them. You got to leave the space to
This is
cut it.
perfect. Grandma, why are you so mad?
Kevin, you have to have, you're finished with this. Because how you going to cut it? Who the hell wants to eat a brownie like that? You tell me. He said it was on TV? I don't think so.
It was on Pinterest.
I don't care where it was on.
Okay.
Who wants to eat that? Not me, Kevin. That is wrong. What you're doing now, it's wrong.
Well, we have decided that we're going to attempt to take out the brownies
We're
from
going
the
to
tray.
try to take it out and see
Yeah.
if it's okay.
Fingers are crossed right now that it's going to work out because it's not looking too good.
I can't believe him. What he gets this idea, put another one on top of another one. You got to have a big mouth to do that.
They're falling apart, Grandma.
Yeah, they are falling
They're
apart.
falling apart. Here we go.
Wait a minute. See what he's doing? He's making slop. I don't like these at all.
Yeah, well, they don't like you.
This is like the dough that should have been baked as cookies. As cookies.
Why are you being mean to it? We're gonna add cookie dough to cover the whole
Don't even
surface
use
of the
this.
brownie.
Don't use this slop.
Okay,
This is
yeah,
slop.
throw out the slop.
Watch it doesn't fall, buddy.
Whoa,
Watch
buddy.
it doesn't
Whoa.
fall.
Okay,
With
so
all the work that you
we're
did.
gonna unveil the finished product, and I'm very proud of it. Are you proud of it?
No, I'm not proud of it.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I would have never did this. One on top of another. Never.
Okay.
But he likes it that way.
You're
Yeah.
lying to me if you don't think it looks good.
It looks okay. It doesn't say looks good. It's okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do a live taste test.
I don't want any. I ate some
I'll
of
feed
it.
it to
I
you.
don't
No, you
want
didn't-
any.
you didn't eat
I
it.
don't want any. I don't want any, please. Piece by piece, Kevin. That's what you do. Piece by piece.
So good.
I have never seen stuff like this.
You're welcome for broadening your horizons.
Oh, yes, the horizon. Oh, yes. Okay, take care.
Oh, my God.
I think that's what you're
No, I
looking.
didn't mean to.
You are looking.
I didn't mean
Pick it
to.
up, please.
I
Yes.
swear in my life I
No
did not
matter
mean to
what
do
he
that.
does, he's got to horse around. That is Kevin.
If you enjoyed this video of my grandma getting mad at me while we make special brownies, give this video a thumbs
yes,
up
special.
and subscribe.
Who wants to go to the dentist next week?
Me.
Not me.
Me.
I won't go until...
Grandma, do you even have real teeth anymore?
I have real teeth.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I have about 12 or 15.
Oh, I thought you were
That's
adventure.
it.
We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Peace out.